what you should do? You should just stay the same, do whatever you're doing, and don't change, because the world needs to accept you as you are. And that's it. It's something I will never ever tell you. Why? Because that's the worst advice ever. The world does not owe you anything. People don't owe you anything. We are changing every single day. We are always trying to get better, always trying to improve ourselves, always. No person is the same person as he or she was from the day that they were born. So saying that, oh, don't change yourself, just accept yourself, is just not realistic. And this channel is all about realism. I do not like to sugarcoat things. Sugarcoating does not work. I'm not the nice guru that will tell you that everything will be okay. No, it will be okay when you make it okay. Because your life is literally in your hands, and in your hands only. Nobody's coming to save you. Nobody will save you. Not your mom, not your spouse, not your children. Nobody will. You want your life to change? You have to change. Hi guys, my name is Liz and welcome to my channel. Okay, so today we are going to talk about the fact if you don't like yourself, you have to create another version of yourself. Literally. We see celebrities talking about this a lot. You see Beyonce. Beyonce says whenever she goes on stage, she is not Beyonce. She is Sasha Fierce. A very good example of this as well is David Goggins. David Goggins is a Navy SEAL who he grew up and he got into poverty. He gained a lot of weight. He lost weight. He ran marathons. This man did incredible stuff. If you don't know him, please check him out. But basically, they all say create another version of yourself. And when I heard those stories, I was like, wow, that makes a lot of sense. And I started doing that as well. So you have me, right? Liz, she's just, herself. Liz is very lazy. Liz does not want to do anything. Like, honestly, if you ask me what the perfect thing for me would be if I do not want to be the higher version of myself is literally go back home, go live with my mom, rely on her financially, just stay in my room, delete all my social media because I do not like the attention that comes with it. And yeah, just stay like that. Comfortable in my bed, in my room. But that will get me nowhere. So I created an alter ego. Somebody that is confident, somebody that uses her platform, somebody that goes after her goals. Somebody that wakes up in the morning and goes to the gym and does not care whether she wants to or whether she